Hi, this is Zach Lee from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at the major markets on Tuesday the 16th of August. Starting off with the FTSE 100 and slow but steady progress to the upside here, likely to hit the 7,000 level relatively soon, even though the RSI at 73 is overbought. Target here towards the top of this June rising trend channel at 72.50 at the moment. Any weakness down towards the 6,800, 6,820 zone regarded as a buying opportunity, and only really back below the 20-day moving average at 67.64, questioning the ongoing bull argument. Onto the DAX, and here we can see how this market has been able to sustain recent gains relatively well. Top of this June trend channel heading towards 11,000, and one really relatively confident of further gains, while recent support towards 10,600 is held on an end-of-day close basis. Only back below 10,500 currently, regarded as a negative for this market. Just the possibility we're in the run-up to a 50-day, 200-day moving average cross, which could provide fresh momentum later in the month. Onto the US markets, and here a little change here, possibly a little bit more bullish after days of stalling for the Dow, but floor of this rising formation from June at the 10-day moving average at 18,494, while we're above that. Target here as high as 19,000. RSI just at 64, so nowhere near being overbought at this stage. That is not a factor or a block on further upside. For the S&P, steaming towards the 2200 level, but the target here, technical target, as high as 2250, which is a June resistance line projection that could be hit over the next 2 to 4 weeks. RSI at 64. So plenty of gas in the tank, and only back below 2176, the 10-day average on an end-of-day close, really stalls the latest breakout attempt for leading US stocks. Onto the technology area, and the Nasdaq gapping higher again, heading towards 4,900 target at the top of the June trend channel. That's valid while there's no break back below the 10-day average at 47.78. And the floor of the June rising trend channel. Although this market is overbought, it doesn't seem to be slowing it down in any way at this stage. On to cable, and hanging below the 130 level, but not too much progress for the bears at this stage. Bit of support there towards 128.80, 127.98, obviously the July support, but at least while there's no end-of-day close back above the 10-day average at 130.22, the implied target here is the top of a falling June trend channel down to 126.50 over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Euro-dollar edging higher, the 112 the key level here, and it looks as though we've got a good break of the 50-day moving average at 111.42. Above that, we're looking for further upside and further progress above 112. 114 the obvious target there. Maybe a bit early to project the cross up towards that 115, 116 level at the top of a June trend channel, but that could be the case if we get a decent close above the initial August resistance at 112.33. Dollar yen now sinking towards the 100 yen level. Probably, if you're cynical, indicates the true nature of the stock market as well in terms of risk appetite, etc. But target here is towards 97 yen, which is the floor of this June falling trend channel, and that is valid while there's no end-of-day close back above the 10-day average at 101.42. Finishing off with gold, back on the front foot here, in the sense that seem to be finding good support in the 1330s. Just need to break that red resistance line from July around 1355. Do that, then should break the logjam, the recent logjam, and take us up towards 1400. Good double bounce for the RSI neutral 50, which should be a leading indicator, a strong leading indicator on upside over the next few weeks. Stop loss on the buy argument, 1323, the 50-day moving average, just below that rising May trend channel. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.